Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to revoke Telegram channel link. Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to revoke Telegram channel invite link. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Telegram app. Go ahead and select your Telegram channel. I'm going to click on my channel right here. Go ahead and click on the top right here. Click on the name of the channel from the top. Go ahead and click on this pencil icon. Then scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on invite links. Then go ahead and click on these three dots right here. And go ahead and click on revoke link. Once you revoke the link, anyone with the link will not be able to join the channel any longer. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Telegram channel, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.